I'm done with the subfloor. I did yesterday as I laid the floor, I had to put some of my tools on top because I didn't screw any part of this subfloor. I just put the plywood on there's some balls that are there and some steels that are there, so I put construction adhesive before I put the plywood on top. Now I'm going to take these tools all out and see what happens. See, well, I think it did hold, so it's not going anywhere. Now I can screw anything on top. This is the floor that I'll be using. The vinyl plank, 100% waterproof.